Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some stationery that I got from Adriti's home. First of all, I would like to apologize for disappearing so suddenly, but since I'm back, I would be holding a small giveaway. For more information about giveaway, wait for me to tell you that later in the video. So first of all, we are looking at some freebies and it includes a bookmark and 3 sticker sheets. And the fun part begins. Let's open it up. So first of all, we are looking at is this washi tape set. It's actually a green theme and it has a gallery type of stuff on it, and honestly, it looks really great. Next, we are looking at some small washi tape set of 5, and I bought like 4 of them for different color schemes in mind, and they are pretty cool. Then we are looking at some pet tape. Honestly, I have never had or used it before, and here I am being clumsy. Well, I can't help it, I have always been clumsy. So here we go, we have these 3 designs. Next is another pet tape and it has mushrooms and lavender on it. I am actually going to create a mushroom theme for my September bullet journal, and I am definitely going to use this tape on it. Next is ink pad. I have ordered a few stamps as well, so I will be using this ink pad later. And here we have another washi tape set and the theme is vintage. And you can see me being clumsy again, as I wasn't able to open a tiny box on my own. How can I do big things in my life? Oh, such a sad moment. And these tapes are really very pretty. Are you looking at these? Like, oh my god, these are really pretty. It has like 4 different colors. And next we are holding up again one more washi tape set, and I actually went overboard and ordered a lot of washi tapes. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but they are definitely beautiful and I have no control over my shopping addiction. This tape set has these planets and moon, and I really love that they are in pastel color. Next one, we have the most awaited item. I tried to do ASMR and I know it didn't work. So yeah, well, the most stupid thing is that I still added this failed ASMR clip in this video. This one has like 100 sticker sheets, and oh my god, I used to have like 20 sticker sheets of this before, and I used each one of it because it was too cute and kawaii, and I went overboard and ordered one with 100 sheets. They are in different colors and I know that I will be using them a lot because in my previous journals I have used small stickers anywhere I see some empty space. Now we have a lot of stickers. Let's go. The first one is the pillars with flowers. I must have used this in my 2025 bullet journal plan. You could see it on the screen if only I had ordered it before. Anyways, the next one we have spring courtyard, and I accidentally bought 2 of them in the same color. My life. You can see I'm a very clumsy person and I must have clicked on add to cart twice. But I don't regret it because look at these stickers. They are so pretty and oh my god. Well, I have never used pet stickers before, so I'm quite interested how I am going to use them. And oh my god, look at these tiny ones. Anyways, next we have, oh god, beautiful cafe with flower. This is so pretty. And some girl sticker. I'm sure I'm going to use them a lot in my journal. Next we have coffee impressions, and they have a lot of girl stickers too. And a coffee shop. Are you kidding me? Next we have this small cutting mat. I still have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but it looks so cute. It was so affordable, so I just went overboard and bought it, and I tried to do ASMR again. Anyways, I'm thinking that I would be using it to cut small details in my journals. Next we have this fairy stickers. Oh my gosh, look at this pastel, guys. It's so pretty and I bought it in 2 color. Ones are pastel pink and purple. The next one is this blue beauty. Oh my god, I saw teddy bear while I was actually doing this voiceover. I might check it out later, but honestly I'm very satisfied with this extreme shopping. I bought this vintage autumn theme stickers and it's really pretty. How many times have I said pretty? Okay, anyways, next one is alphabet stickers, and unfortunately it had only in 1 color, so I bought the other ones. It has different color, but as you can see the alphabet are not repeated, so you can never write a title with the same color if there are 2 A's or 2 B's or whatever. And this breathtaking sticker sheet, oh my god, these flowers look so realistic and it has golden foil. If you can see it on camera, it shines, guys. Next is this sheet. I don't know if it's sticky because I forgot to check it out, but it looks really good to create a scenic background on the journal. And I bought some leaf stickers for, I don't know, maybe adding it behind my illustration of forest. And obviously I bought the sakura flowers because they are famous for April themes, right? Next is this pretty girl sticker booklet, and this is by far the most beautiful sticker book I have ever seen. And colors are so pretty. I have no words. I am actually lost of word at this point, like really. Oh, and I don't know, on the back of this book I found a sticker. It must have traveled from the warehouse of the brand. Anyways, you're part of me now, so I'm going to paste it on the front. Now we have wooden stamps. They were like really pretty, and if you're following me for some time, then you would know that I am very bad with stamps. My experience with stamps is not so great. I'm not really a fan of stamps, and you will see the reason why. So let's check out this ink pad that I showed you guys earlier, and I thought I should try the stamps, and my honest review with these stamps are not so good because the flowers that are visible on the stamps are actually not visible on the paper because it's very small and the ink actually overflow everywhere. So next I tried one more stamp that I bought from here, and if you can see, my shirt sleeve is visible, and this shirt is actually gifted to me by my mother, and honestly I'm in love with embroidery on it. And here I tried this particular stamp, as I was trying to make sure that the stamp is covered with ink this time. And finally, okay, so my honest review is that this bigger flower stamp is worth it, but the small alphabet stamps are not worth it because the flower pattern is not very visible. And lastly, we have paper cutter. Actually, I have been waiting to get my hands on this one. I have been thinking to do anime journal, and this will be so helpful for that purpose. Anyway, that was a pretty good haul. Thank you for watching. Oh wait, am I forgetting something? Well, let's talk about the giveaway. So the rules are simple. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Like this video and comment down below which item of this haul you like the most, and mention your Instagram ID as well. The winner will get a gift card from Adriti's home, so the winner can buy anything they like from their shop. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye.